Hello everyone, Xiaoqian helps you calculate the economy. Today, Xiaoqian will explain a Jess's 28-day calendar. This one is a pink dial with is a magneto-mechanical movement. Let's take a look at the details. As for Jess, in terms of the dial, the calendar side, in terms of style, 28 and 31 are very complete. Plus its pink dial, which is really good. Let's take a look at its effect. With radial patterns, the 3 o'clock window is clear and centered, which is very beautiful. Diamond scale, with 3 large hands, sapphire platinum surface and a diamond hard material. Open the buckle. TIU code number. I won't show you the sealed movement. The magnetized movement is screwed down when the crown pops out. To the bottom. Turn the crown clockwise to adjust the time. When it's in the first gear, turn it down directly. Turn it clockwise, turn to this side, turn it up. Push it in when screwing it in. So far, it's fully waterproof and can be worn while swimming, which is the so-called 5-degree waterproof. Today, Xiaoqian will stop here. If you're interested, click on Xiaoqian's video homepage. Thank you for watching.